So guys, you joined me today over at the shed, and yeah, I was greeted by a bit of a shocking sight actually. It gets worse. Yeah, so my workshop was on fire last night. I had no idea. I've just turned up today to do some work on the 240, and yeah, this is what I found. So luckily the gentleman's car was inside here and it's fine. Obviously it's just his roof that's took some damage. Yeah, I think his clutch is going to take some damage as well, but so yeah, I mean, this has been cut. Sorry if you can't hear me over this guy revving away. So yeah, the police have actually left this lock. So I need to, and they left a note as well, fortunately, with which location it was, where I can go and get the key to get in. I think actually, apart, you know, obviously the woods took a blast, but I think actually the brickwork, the stone's probably okay. So yeah, he's really gonna have no clutch left if he carries on like that. So yeah, it's a bit of a shame, isn't it? So I was actually waiting for something like this to happen. Well, not like this, but I was waiting for something. You know, you know, every time I actually turn the corner, I always expect to see these doors busted open and some people inside. You know, someone inside, maybe some junkies, or find all my taken. You know, because it's not exactly the most secure thing. But yeah, so yeah, it's one of those, isn't it? So yeah, obviously, so clean up. I don't know what this guy's doing. Yeah, it's a bit distracting, but so yeah, I don't know. I thought he was leaving, but maybe not. So yeah, I need to contact the police. Yeah, I'll give you guys an update when I have one. He's actually driven somehow all the way alongside that track, which is barely even a footpath, all the way over to that other garage. I'm not sure why. I don't know if you can see him making his way back over. But you can't really get a car down there. I think he's trashed his car, to be honest. I'm going to call my partner whilst I'm filming, because... So, excuse me. It's a hell of a way to turn around. She's not answering. Too busy sunbathing probably. We've got a bit of good weather for once in about 8 months. How did he get his car through there? What? I can't even walk through there. He's proper cleared a path, hasn't he? Look at that. Look at that. Talk about a tight fit. To turn around. But as you probably saw, he got past my car. He was in the entranceway. Always on her phone, but Come to Berlin, they said. It would be fun, they said.